In the real estate context, PITH stands for principal, interest, taxes, and heating. It is an acronym used to represent the four main components of a homeowner's monthly mortgage payment. Let's break down each component. Principal. This refers to the portion of the mortgage payment that goes towards repaying the original amount borrowed, the loan's principal balance. Interest. This represents the cost of borrowing money from the lender. It is the amount charged by the lender for providing the loan. Taxes. This includes property taxes assessed by the local government or municipality where the property is located. Property taxes are typically based on the assessed value of the property and are used to fund various public services and amenities. Heating. This component is specific to certain regions where homes require heating during colder months. It represents the estimated monthly heating costs associated with the property. Together, PITH forms the complete monthly mortgage payment that a homeowner is required to pay to their lender. It is commonly used to estimate the total housing expenses and assess a borrower's ability to manage their monthly payments. Example: let's say John is purchasing a house with a mortgage. The total monthly mortgage payment he needs to make is $1,800. Breakdown of John's PITH. Principal, $1,200. Interest, $400. Taxes, $150. Heating, $50. In this example, John's monthly mortgage payment of $1,800 consists of $1,200 towards paying down the loan's principal amount, $400 in interest charged by the lender, $150 for property taxes, and an estimated $50 for monthly heating costs. It's important to note that in some cases, homeowners may also be required to pay additional costs, like insurance such as property insurance or mortgage insurance, as part of their total housing expenses, but these would not be included in the PITH acronym. Congratulations! You just learned something today from the real estate world. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate glossary. Thanks for watching.